Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Cinema HD on FireStick. First, from the FireStick home screen, navigate and find magnifying glass icon and click search. Type downloader in the search bar and select it when it appears in the suggestions. Open downloader and click get or download now to install. Return to the Fire TV home screen and click settings. Navigate to my Fire TV and click developer options. You will see one of the following two options depending on your Fire Stick device version. Click Install Unknown Apps. Open the downloader app. Please navigate to the input field on the right and click it. Enter the following URL in the input field, then click Go. The URL will direct you to the website that hosts the Cinema HD APK file. Scroll down to the home page to find the download links at the bottom. Click on the download link. The Cinema HD APK will start downloading. Once the APK downloaded is complete, the downloader app will prompt you to install the Cinema HD app. Click install. Wait for the app to install. Once the application is complete, you'll see a notification. Click done. And that's it. Thank you for watching.